find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know I did.
We back at it, man. Back at it. The tiny cabin. It's called the Getaway. That tiny cabin, so y'all might have seen it. Yeah, it's like an hour and 45 away from Dallas. About an hour ago, so 30 minutes left. Check in at 3 p.m. It's 4:15 right now. Just doing a day, so should be checking out tomorrow at 11. Got the mindset when I'm taking that road trip. So should be smooth though. The fire pit. Make some s'mores, shish kebabs. I thought it was just like its own cabin, but it looked, they should like sent the map. It's like other cabins around it.
You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. And I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside. I'm in that 8 and then one of them is different.
Alright. Let's see. Closing, press the lock icon. Oh, tweaking.
I try to pay all your long, I'll pick up you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you actors, we vulnerable living this life.
Of course, I can't get in. Just made it to the spot though. Y'all see it? You see it? And they got some with the 2-bed. Once I get inside, I'll be able to show y'all. But it's it though. Another cabin through there. See? High step. You see it? Decent. Finally got in though. Trying to keep me out of here, man. We in here though. Another day, man. So we gonna see, man. Finally made it. Got the lumberjack on. You see it? So
I let you play my number 2. You barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know.
hey, still getting it in, man. What time is it? 7. Another day, man. A cabin, man. You know, getting it in, man. Hey, street lights on. You know what's going on. We vibing out, man. Got a little Truly. Ain't doing too much. A little dark. I'm gonna make some s'mores and stuff, man. But nah, so far smooth. Finally got in. They tried to lock me out, but I'm back in, baby. I'm back. If you need a quick getaway, man, the cabin getaway, man. If I can drop the link in the bio, I got y'all. You feel me? But it's decent, man. I got the future going, so should be smooth, man. We're gonna see how it go. When I got locked out, they was able to send me the code fast. So that was cool. Like I text them, boom, can't get in. They text me right back. Boom, all right, we can try this code. I'm like, it's cool though. Wait till the s'mores and stuff come. It's been cool though. Peaceful. Like this is peace. You ain't getting too much peace like this, man. This is peace. This that real peace right here that, you know, no city. You don't hear no cars going by, no train. You know, you bring the vibe. I got a speaker. You know, marshmallows, Hershey's. Like, this a vibe, man. You don't get to do this so often, you know. It's not a lot of people. We not 20 deep. Sometimes you gotta do this. This is Getaway. Let's see if I know what I'm doing.
You got desires. I know. You got desires.
I know you never.
Self-control is